So last time we saw full hands-on video of the Pixel 9 in pink color finish, got dual cameras and a flash. Now a massive news coming in suggests that the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL all are coming with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So from optical in the Pixel 6, 7 and 8, Google is finally equipping the Pixel 9 with a faster and accurate ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, something similar to the one in Samsung S24. This fingerprint scanner is gonna work around water or dust. The Pixel 9 Fold, however, is coming with same side-mounted fingerprint scanner which is fast as well. Now all these devices are launching on August 13, so less than a month to go. There's gonna be the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL. The standard Pixel 9 is like a mid-end flagship with low-resolution display, dual cameras and a flash. The Pixel 9 Pro/XL gets triple cameras with a periscope shooter, a thermometer to scan body heat, and a high-resolution display with M14 Samsung panel, which is gonna be brighter and power efficient. Some news coming in, we'll see exciting new colors in the Pixel 9 series. So there's gonna be obsidian, porcelain for all including Pixel 9 4. The Pixel 9 gets exclusive jade and peony color. 9 Pro and 9 XL gets the most popular Pixel 7 Pro's hazel and rose finish. So this is how they might look. We'll see black, gold, greenish and pink finish. This is the Pixel Fold 2 live image coming in. Can be seen we have a brand new design, a huge jump from the 90s Pixel Fold design. So Google is using a squarish module with 4 cameras, and this is the best way to do it so that all cameras can switch quickly. It is an amazing white covered screen, and yes guys, the inner display got no to less border and the selfie shooter is under the display. So finally something on par with Samsung and OnePlus 4. Best part is news coming in from Ishal Rahman says the Pixel Fold 2 is gonna use Tensor G4 and not the Tensor G3. So that is an amazing news, but it's gonna push the launch to late 2024. Some news coming in suggests that the Tensor G5 is coming with TSMC 3nm process and it's gonna be very powerful and power efficient. So better wait for the Pixel 10 series if you really want a well-performing phone. Project Astra coming to Android soon, which can reason in real time. Is that part of the speaker called? That is the tweeter. It produces high-frequency sounds. Give me a creative alliteration about these. Creative crayons color cheerfully. They certainly craft colorful creations. What does that part of the code do? This code defines encryption and decryption functions. It seems that looks like an amazing device, but we are months away from the official launch, so make sure to follow for all the leaks and news. I'll meet you guys in the next one.